Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia, and today we are going to film a clean with me closet because I need to clean my Aritzia closet up. Y'all, it is getting bad. All my clothes are just all over the place. Let's just bring you guys to the front, okay? It's bad. So if you haven't subscribed to me, subscribe and make sure to follow me on Instagram at _HelloHarley. Keep updated with my daily life, but let me show you guys how messy this room is. So it's just terrible. There's crap everywhere. Just literally pure crap everywhere. So Harley's not going to be in the video today because my baby's actually sick and he is outside just chilling in the living room, but we gotta get clean in here. I've decided to stay home so I could, you know, watch him, and yeah, we just need to clean up. My Goku pants, by the way, these are the tie front pants that I said not to buy originally when I tried them on, and then when they went on super sale in this colorway, I just had to pick them up. So anyways, one downside is that they wrinkle like a bitch, and especially in this like light color, you can see the wrinkle like non-stop in the satin. So unfortunately, don't wear them unless you know for sure you're gonna be standing like all day. It's so crap because they're such a beautiful pair of pants. I wish they didn't wrinkle. So crappy. Anyways, I'm gonna put those away. Gotta put them away. So I have these pant hanger things from, I think I got them from HomeSense, and I really like them because they just like undo and then come apart. Oh god, what's happening? I need help. Anyways, that's really great because then I put 4 pairs of pants on one hanger and I don't have to worry about not having space. And I like how they unclip. I like to put the sash on separate. It's just a thing I do. By the way, I'm wearing my pajamas. This top is like just a regular men's Zara t-shirt, but these pants that I'm wearing, they're from Costco. I don't know if you can see them. They are these leggings from Costco. This is obviously not sponsored. I love them. They're by Sansara. $20. I wear them as my pajamas now because if you saw like over here in this pile, I like threw all my Victoria's Secret pajamas away. I just don't like the look of them anymore, and they're like flannel and they're kind of just getting crusty. I've worn them for like 5 years now, so I thought it was time to just get these. Vicky actually found them. 2 pairs for $20. Sorry, 2 pairs for $20. What a steal of a deal. So I wear a medium and they're like perfect length on me because I'm 5'4", but I know they are long on some people. Let me just show you guys. This is what they look like. And I love that they have pockets. They're like literally the perfect length. I am 5'4", and it like just goes so high-waisted. So nice. And it's especially handy when I am in my pajamas and I just want to throw on a sweater and go walk Harley. It's just like, you don't look like you're in your pajamas, but they're like super comfy. So yeah. Sorry, I look like a mess because I have such bad allergies right now, but anyways, it's not cleaned properly. It's not organized the way I want it, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. I'm like not in the mood to really organize it. But there we go. I have to organize my shoes. Those are new, so I'm gonna like take them out of the boxes. I don't know what to do with that wall decor. That stuff is regular. That's where my laundry basket usually goes, and then this stuff I don't really know what to do with either. And I don't know how to organize my closet. So if you guys have any tips on how to hang this in a way where it doesn't look so cluttered like this, let me know. Those things I have to donate. Those things I'm going to, I don't know if I'm selling still. I have to figure that out. But yeah, and then in terms of sweaters and stuff, I have those like, you know, organized pretty fairly well. But it's just like this stuff that I don't know how to organize. Okay guys, so I'm going to finish off this video. Sorry it was boring. It was just like a little clean with me, kind of tidy up video. I'm just going to do my laundry now and probably finish up and fold my laundry, so probably don't want to see that either. But let me know in the comments down below what videos you guys want to see, because then I don't know, I'm kind of in a stump of what to film, so let me know what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!